Hello, and welcome to a quick tutorial on grade reports for Google Classroom. Let's get started. You can install the app from the G Suite Marketplace. Click Install, Continue. Make sure you are logged in with the G Suite account that is linked to your Google Classroom. Next, you will be presented with a list of permissions, all of which have been approved and verified by Google. More information can be found on our privacy policies page. Click Allow, and done. So we can launch the app by clicking Launch. What it does is it opens up a Google Doc. You can open up any existing Google Doc that you have in your Drive or create a new one. And let's just make sure we have the latest update. So everything can be accessed from the Add-ons menu, Grade Reports for Google Classroom, and Generate Reports. So when you do that, this sidebar over here opens up, and we have a list of all your Google Classrooms. So we'll take the first one, Demo Class, and we will get a list of all of our students. So here we have 4 students. We can select them all, we can clear them all, we can select one. So we will scroll down. We want the report to include grades only, charts only, or both grades and charts. We will select this one. We will include comments, and we can sort the report either by title of the assignment or by due date. But just before we click Create Report, over here we have a Google Classroom information sheet, which we will go through. So at the bottom we have our email message, our demo class, which has everything here, our student name, our student ID, the student email, and student comments. So we'll just go back and click Create Report. So it's going to create a report for our first student. So while that's running in the background, notice that parent and guardian emails were not imported. Unfortunately, this is a limitation that Google imposes. Only the G Suite admin can have access to guardian emails, but you can type these emails in here manually and they will stay on this sheet for further import. But let's go back. The report is done, so we click Student Grade Report, and there you go. We have a beautiful report that lists the student's name, the class they're in, their email, the teacher's email, all the assignments, their marks, their percentage, the status of the assignments. In this case, assignment 9 has not been handed in or completed. The teacher comments that we added from our information sheet. And on the second page, we have our charts and graphs. Notice here we have all the assignments, percentages at the bottom. Just quickly, we can notice that the majority of the assignments are over 75%. We also have a nice pie graph here. I'll just zoom in, which lists the percentages of the assignments in each of these categories there. So there you go, a nice report that summarizes the Google Classroom. So just going back to our document here, we can also, instead of creating a Google Doc, we can email the report. So in this case, we'll email to the first student, click Email Reports. And again, going back to our information sheet, at the bottom, email message. Here we have our subject. You can change this to say anything you like. We also have some tags here. So for example, this student tag will replace this word with the student's name. This would be the course code, the course name, and the teacher. In the body of the email, you will have 5 lines that you can add, and you can change this message to anything you like and use these codes as well. So going back here, the report generation is complete, so it has emailed out. Emails have been successfully sent, and we can notice here that the email on the student's account has been sent. Grade report for Clark Joseph with the message, and we click that, and there is the beautiful report in PDF format that can be sent to both students and parents. So there you go. There's a quick overview of how to use grade reports for Google Classroom. Thank you for watching.